Hello, my name is Noel Gonzalez, and in this video we're going to be demonstrating user story 2776 in its completion, which is adding properties to the system using the desktop application. So the first thing you do is go into the list your property link, as was agreed. And then you have to fill out part of this form. Some fields are required, some are not. So we just put in some random data here. Years required. Yeah, we put this random years. Obviously, there is no limitation on the. Obviously, you know, a year built of 1231 is not, very likely, but there are currently no limitations on what years and prices and stuff that you can put on these fields. But at least it has to be in the right format. Okay, so those are required fields. These are required fields, and the thumbnail path. Test front end, call this 18, and I think that's it. Let's go. Alright, so it created a property, and it redirected us to the detail page of that property. And of course, there was not a lot of data filled in, but with this you can already see that the acceptable criteria for the user story was met. The user was able to create a property. The user got a notification, in this case a redirect, and the property is in the system. In fact, we just got redirected to it. And see over here, the results URL is using the ID of the property. So that is how you know that it's in the database. And in fact, we can double check here. Let me just refresh that. It's gonna take a little bit. Let's see how it's going over here. Oh, let's flip that front end. Okay, all right. Yeah, ID 21, front end test 18 should be here. Yep, exactly. So yeah, the acceptable criteria is met. So off to the actual code. Look at that real quick. So the main two files that were changed is the property.js and property.html. This is just the forms. So the API was not changed too much. It was just a couple lines in different files. But this is the property controller over here. So we have the scope variables are being assigned, and here are some checks just to not send unnecessary requests to the API, and the HTTP request, and so on. So that's the feature 2776. Add properties, allow users to add properties into the system, and that's it. Thanks for watching.